What's good, everyone? This is Double O with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I just wanted to hop on camera to give you another review of the textbot.ai, and I'm going to show you what other tools that I use with this program so I can be able to get many leads and many sales to come with this. So here in the back office, as you can see, textbot.ai. What is textbot.ai? It's an SMS marketing system that allows you to have a virtual assistant by the name of 𝗖cie. And 𝗖cie be able to, she's a virtual assistant that close out sales for you. So you can see back here in the back office, I had a recent conversation. Okay. And this is just with 𝗖cie doing the work for me. You know, she send them and she follow up with these leads right here in the back office. Here on the left hand side, you see it says 𝗖cie Basic. This is where you could be able to see your leads, your chats, your settings, your custom keywords, and resellers. Right here is where you can see your links, presentation, your Facebook group, resources, pending payments, commission history, my team, leverage line, textbot leaderboard. On the side right here is the training. This is training. This is very powerful. You get to see, every Tuesday they have a little Tech Talk Tuesday where they train newcomers that's coming along this platform and checking it out. It tells you everything about the product, So I use this on various programs that I use as far as all the ones that I promote. Very incredible. They have different types of training back there y'all can check out, okay? This shows you all your leads. You see all the people that come through your funnel. And it's two ways you could be able to promote this. One is by sharing a phone number. This is a phone number that's assigned to you once you get started. You can send this phone number to anybody. You can also send it to any social media site. You can also send it to Twitter, Facebook. And this is the link right here that you can also send to different people as well. So like I said, there's two ways you can use this. Now, I have a program that I had just got into that I use it. And this allows me to use 𝗖cie and be able to get ringless voicemails. So that way I can leave a voicemail without anybody's phone ringing. And it could present them to my opportunity. And this is called Ringless ALN, as you can see right here. Now this is a platform that could allow you to be able to reach a large number of prospects and leaving them a voicemail without ever having to contact them. It does it automatically, and it sets it up from your own personal voicemail. So this is the affiliate page right here. So I got 5,000 contacts that I have gotten with this, and I could be able to send to 5,000 people. Can you imagine your voicemail being able to send to 5,000? So I use that with my textbot.ai number. And this thing, when a person hear my voicemail, they hit the number that they want, they would like to know more information. They hit it back. They call it back when they see, because everybody be on their phone. They see that it's a missed call. They call that number back, and then that's when 𝗖cie, which is textbot.ai, will play in the background and will prompt them to, potentially get that sale. So think of how powerful that could be, when you could be able to cross textbot.ai with ringless voicemail. That's very credible. And I was shown how to do that, and it really works. And I've been seeing results, of people coming through here in the back office. So I just want to show you that it's possible that you can use textbot.ai with Ringless ALN. If you would like to get started with both of those, the link in the description will be below. Textbot.ai, that link in the description will also be below if you would like to get started having an SMS marketing platform that allows you to be able to market your business. All right. So this is, pretty much my setup with my voice. I can let you hear it. Hey, it's Astro. I Well, I don't know if you heard that loud enough, but that's pretty much what type of voicemails that I do leave for, you know, my prospects. So this is very, very powerful. I'm still using it. You know, you must make sure that, you know, you have to buy, you know, text credits with this. You know, if you want to be able to send out voicemails, you have to buy voice credits, and they're very, very reasonable. It's very cost efficient, and that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you how you could combine textbot.ai with Ringless voicemail, the software that I do use, so you can be able to push your business without having to bother any family or friends. All right, that's it for Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.